What just happened? The air raid that shocked all sides. So picture this with us. It's early morning, the kind of quiet moment when the world hasn't fully woken up yet, and suddenly everything changes. We're talking about an air raid so unexpected, so perfectly timed that both the attackers and the defenders found themselves stunned. Yes, even the side launching it didn't expect the impact to be this dramatic. From the first moment, it felt less like a planned operation and more like history deciding to take a sharp turn. When that first wave of aircraft appeared on the horizon, everyone froze for a second. Imagine seeing the sky darken not from clouds, but from machines roaring toward the battlefield. The defenders looked up in disbelief, wondering if they were misreading what was happening. And even the attackers, trained and briefed, couldn't hide their shock at how easily they caught their opponents off guard. This moment, the first glimpse, set the tone for everything that followed. It felt like the world stopped breathing, waiting to see what would happen next.
The strike unfolds. As the bombs began to fall, the scene shifted from confusion to sheer chaos. Buildings shook, alarms screamed, and communication lines broke down faster than anyone could react. We moved through these moments almost in slow motion, watching both sides scramble, not with confidence, but with raw instinct. That's the thing about a surprise this big. It doesn't just hit the target, it shakes the entire strategy on all fronts. Aftermath and realization. And when the dust finally settled, something unusual happened. Neither side celebrated. Neither side felt victorious. Instead, everyone stood in a kind of stunned silence, trying to understand how one raid had flipped their expectations upside down. Reports later showed the damage was far beyond predictions, and the psychological shock was even greater. It wasn't just an attack, it was a wake-up call. So, as we look back, this air raid wasn't remembered simply for destruction. It became famous because it forced everyone to rethink what they believed was possible in war. And that first look at the incoming planes? That's the moment no one ever forgot.